you have been looking at nanoparticles. You have been looking at particles that are less than 1 nanometer and 100 nanometers, or 1 nanometer to 100 nanometers in size. They're only a few hundred atoms in size, and this is known as nanoscience. So nanoparticles are much smaller than coarse particles and much smaller than fine particles, and the sizes you can see on the screen there. So nanoparticles have an extremely large surface area to volume ratio, which gives them all of these useful properties. They will make excellent catalysts. Okay, so catalysts, remember the definitions up on the screen there. It's a substance which will speed up a reaction without being used up. They also have a huge potential application in medicine, for example, drug delivery, because they're more easily absorbed into the body and then can be used to deliver drugs to specific tissues. They may be able to be used to make synthetic skin for people, burns victims or car crash victims, if their skin has been removed. So nanoparticles are used at the moment in some items. Silver nanoparticles have antibacterial properties because when substances have got this very, very high surface area to volume ratio, their properties can change slightly. And they can be used in things like clothing, deodorant, and surgical masks. Some nanoparticles are electrical conductors, and these can be used to make components. Remember, we looked at graphene. Graphene can be used in a nanotechnology. Some nanoparticles are used in cosmetics to make them less oily, and they can be also used as UV blockers in sun cream. However, there are some potential long-term effects. We don't know. They've not been well researched. So, for example, when using sunscreen, we don't know whether they're being absorbed into the body or they have environmental impacts. And some people believe that anything containing nanoparticles should be clearly labelled.